Driverless cars are getting their own town, no humans allowed. I'm Brett Larson with Buzz 60. The University of Michigan has unveiled MCity to research and better understand the automated automobile. MCity is a 32-acre recreation of urban and suburban environments with roads, intersections, traffic signs, and even crosswalks. But there won't be any pedestrians wandering around or shopping in the downtown stores. There are even different types of roads, from paved to gravel, and the entire town is only 45 miles from Detroit and has received investment from car companies here and overseas, including Ford, GM, Honda, Toyota, and Nissan. The rubber will meet the roadway in MCity so they can be tested and tested some more before rolling out automated cars to the general public. Google has been making headlines with their driverless cars, though not always for good reason. One of the cars recently got into its first injury accident, but Google claims in a blog post that the other driver, a human, was at fault. Good thing there aren't any humans in MCity. We won't have to worry about reports of driverless cars going after them. For now. Buzz 60. Now you know, pass it on.